Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. I hope you are healthy and safe at your home. This is the class 9 subject social science, and today we are going to discuss chapter number first of history, and the topic name is the French Revolution, and this is the lecture third. So student, let's start, and today we are going to discuss some topic. Firstly, we will discuss about the outbreak of revolution. Means what were the reason behind that the revolution? Because Louis XVI had increased taxes. So third state member, they were against the Louis XVI, and they wanted to remove the monarchy system from the country. And after that we will discuss about France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy means it is a form of government. The king act as the head of the state, but they work under the control of a constitution. So we can say that after that France become a constitution monarchy. And student, after that we will solve some question. That question I have assigned in previous lecture. So student, let's start. Next topic is the State Journal. And the State Journal was a political body to which the three estates sent their representative. Means before 1789, the king did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. So he had to call a meeting of the state general, and after that all three states sent their representative and they discuss about the new tax system. And after that, on May 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the state journal to pass proposal for new taxes. So they decided on 5th May 1789, they held a meeting of a state journal meeting, and the main aim of the state journal to pass proposal for new taxes. And next is the first state and second state sent their 300 representative in a state general meeting, and they were seated in row facing each other, and due to whose population in third state members, so they sent their 600 member, and they had to stand at the bank because they could not allow to sit with the clergy and nobility. And in a state journal meeting, peasant, artisans and women were denied entry to the assembly. So, and the third state was representative by its more prosperous and educated member. Means third state representative people were very educated and professional, and they representative all third state member. Next is, but member of the third states demanded that each individual should be given a right to vote. But in France, before 1789, the principle of voting that each state had one vote. But now, at that time, third state demanded that voting now be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. So they demanded every person they have right to vote, but Louis XVI wanted to continue the same procedure of voting system before 1789. And so this proposal rejected by the king. So after the rejection of the proposal, the third state member walked out of the assembly in protest because they did not agree with the decision of the Louis XVI. So they left out of the state general meeting and they started protest against the Louis XVI. So after that they decided on 20th June, they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles. And in this indoor tennis court, they declared themselves a national assembly. Means third state member assembled in tennis court, and in tennis court they declared a national assembly, and they decided to make constitution for France, and they wanted to change the society, and they wanted to destroy and limit the power of the monarch. So they wanted to France become a democratic country. So they promised to make a constitution for France, and the main purpose of the constitution for France that would limit the power of the monarch. You can see the picture of a state general meeting, and here first state member sent their 300 representative, and second state nobility they sent their 300 representative, and 600 members sent by third state member, and women, peasant, artisan were not entered in a state general meeting. So they were decided about the new tax system. After that, the representative of the third state were led by Mirabeau and Abbessier. And Mirabeau was born in a noble family, means he belonged to nobility, and he was very rich person, and but he always supported to third state member, and many time he delivered powerful speech of the crowded in Versailles, and he motivated to third state member, and he wanted to remove the monarchy system from the country. And other was Abbessier. Abbessier originally a priest, and he belonged to clergy, and he wrote a influential pamphlet, and he wrote a pamphlet named What is the Third State. So they were the leader of National Assembly. And after that, on 14 July 1789, angry crowded destroyed the Bastille due to high prices of bread, and so many men and women came together and they destroyed Bastille on 14 July 1789. And in the countryside, rumors spread the king had hired group of brigands, means group of robbers people who were on their way to destroy the ripe crops in the countryside. Rumors spread that the king had hired some robbers, and they destroyed the ripe crops of the peasants. So after that, peasant looted collected grains and burned down the documents of the tax and dues. Means on 14 July 1789, the angry crowd destroyed the Bastille. And after that, due to rumors spread from village to village, and the lords had hired some gang people, they destroyed their crops. So after that, due to fear, due to aggression, peasants started looted collected grains of the king and burned down the document of taxes and dues. So due to fear, many nobles migrating to neighboring countries. And after that, Louis XVI accepted the National Assembly. Means after the situation of 14 July 1789, so they finally accepted the National Assembly. And on the night of 4th August 1789, the assembly passed an order, means the National Assembly passed the order to abolishing the feudal system and tax, because on the after the 14 July 1789, Louis XVI finally accepted the National Assembly, and because he recognized the power of the National Assembly, on 4th August 1789, National Assembly passed an order to remove all type of taxes and feudal system from the country. By the order of the National Assembly, so clergy were forced to give their privilege. Means due to the order of National Assembly, clergy they forced to give their privileges, give their wealth and property to the National Assembly. And tithe were abolished, means tithe, those tax paid to the clergy people, they also removed from the society. That due to the order of National Assembly, as a result, the government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livre. Means due to the order of National Assembly collected net worth 2 billion livre from clergy and nobility, and all type of taxes were removed from the society. So because on because on 4th August 1789 he recognized the National Assembly, and on 4th August 1789 Louis XVI passed the law for the abolishing feudal system, because he realized the importance of he realized the power of the National Assembly. Next topic is France become a constitution monarchy. Constitution monarchy means it is a form of government in which a monarch act as the head of the state within the limit of the constitution. So after that 4th August 1789, the as National Assembly recognized by Louis XVI, and after that the National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution in 1791, and the main purpose of the Constitution was to limit the power of the monarch. Means monarch did not take any decision without the permission of the constitution. So we can say that France became a constitution monarch. And this is the meeting of National Assembly. After that they declare France become a constitution. And after that now the power divided among different institutions, and they followed the model of Montesquieu, and according to the constitution, power divided among different institutions: legislative, executive, and judiciary. Okay, and legislative means to make laws, and it includes parliament, and parliament includes president, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. They make laws for the country. And executive mean to implement the laws, and it includes prime minister and other cabinet minister. And judiciary, it includes Supreme Court, High Court, and a district court. So the power divided into different institutions. After that the distribution of the power, so we can say that France became a constitutional monarchy. Means in France ruled by king, but they work under the control of the constitution. So we can say that France become a constitution monarchy. And after that the laws made by the National Assembly. After that National Assembly prepared some laws for the people, and under the new constitution the laws were made to be made by National Assembly, and it had 745 members. National Assembly total member in 745, and they were indirectly elected by active citizen. Just like in our country, in our country Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In our country Lok Sabha 545 member, and in Rajya Sabha we have 250 member. So they were decided about the new policies. So under the new constitution in National Assembly member they had 745 member, and all member they were indirectly elected by active citizen. After that, according to the new constitution in France, all citizens had not right to vote. And according to the constitution, society were divided into two parts: active citizen and passive citizen. And active citizen means only men about 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of labor wages, and were given the status of the active citizen. Means active citizen, those person who above the age of 25 years and they paid taxes, and taxes equal to 3 days salary of labor. So and after that active citizen had the right to vote. Means only active citizen means those person above the age of 25 and they paid taxes, so they got right to vote in France. So after that the remaining men and all women were classed as passive citizen. Means according to the new constitution, poor men and women were not allowed to right to vote, so they classed as a passive citizen. So after that, the to qualify as an electoral means a person who has the right to vote in any election. And if a person they want to become a member of the assembly, so a man had to belong to the highest taxpayer. Only those person they paid highest tax, so they qualify as an electoral and then they become the member of the assembly. And after that, the constitution, and they formed constitution. And the France constitution began with a declaration of the right of man and citizen. Means the constitution of France, they began with declaration of right of man and citizen. And in this declaration of the right of man, they provided right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law. And it was the duty of the state to protect each citizen natural right. It is the duty of the government to protect the citizen fundamental right. So we can say that by these methods France becomes a constitution monarchy, and the constitution began with the declaration of the right of man. And according to the rights, all persons they have right to life, right to speech, freedom to opinion, equality, and they were equal before law. And it is the duty of the government to protect each citizen fundamental rights. You can see some political symbol, because in 18th century many men and women they could not read and write, so they use political symbol. And here is the cap of red color, and the red color cap worn by a slave upon becoming free. And next is broken chain. A broken chain stand for acts of becoming. And next is national flag of France, and the national color of France, the national flag, the color of blue, white, and red. And next is symbol of royal power. It was the symbol of royal power. So some symbol used in 18th century. So student, today your homework solution. Question number first. What was a state journal? Answer. The state journal was a political body to which the three estates sent their representative. Question number second. Which social groups emerged as middle class in 18th century France? Answer. The social group who earned their wealth through an expanding overseas trade and from the manufactures of goods such as woolen and silk textile that were either exported or bought by the richer section of the society. And in new social group, it included merchants, lawyer, and administration officials. Next question is, what was the theme of the book The Spirit of the Laws, written by Montesquieu? And answer is, Montesquieu proposed a division of power within the government between the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. Question number 4. Why was the National Assembly formed by the people of the third estate? Answer. Louis XVI called together an assembly of the State Journal on 5th May 1789 to pass proposal for new taxes. And second, the first and second estate sent 300 representative each, while third state sent 600. After that, Louis XVI wanted to continue with all voting system, and according to all voting system that each state had one vote. But third state demanded that voting should be conducted by taking assembly as a whole, and where each member have one vote. But after that, King rejected this proposal. On 20 June 1789, they declared themselves as a National Assembly. Student, today your homework. Firstly, you have to read chapter, and after that find out some question. And question number first. Who were the leaders of the National Assembly of France which was formed in the Versailles? Question number second. Mention any three changes that were brought by the National Assembly which was recognized by the King Louis XVI in 1789. Question number third. Differentiate between active and passive citizen. Question number four. What rights were provided by the French Revolution? And question number fifth. Who could qualify as an electoral? So student, all question you have done in your fair notebook. Keep learning and thank you.